Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by stripping the engine parts to bare metal so plating can bond. This prevents flaking. Use an alkaline or solvent degreaser at recommended temperature, then rinse with deionized water to avoid mineral spots. Once clean, mechanically polish to 400-600 grit and remove corrosion pits with fine media. This evens the surface for consistent chrome thickness. Make sure to mask threaded areas and oil passages now so you don't plate unwanted surfaces later. Next, you activate the metal with a brief acid dip to remove oxides and ensure uniform current distribution. After rinsing, apply a nickel strike layer. This thin 210 micro-M deposit promotes adhesion and prevents diffusion between base metal and chrome. Once the strike is solid, build up decorative chrome in controlled pulses to reach 525 micro-M, monitoring current density and temperature closely. Transitioning slowly between baths reduces stress, so keep agitation steady and check thickness frequently. To finish, thoroughly rinse and neutralize any residual acids, then dry parts with filtered compressed air to prevent spotting. Once dry, do a final polish to specification and measure plating thickness with XRF or an appropriate micrometer. Verify adhesion with a bend or tape test as required. If you see pitting or peeling, suspect contamination, low current density, or improper activation, re-clean, restrike with adjusted current, and address bath contamination before replating to avoid repeating defects.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.